What up, friends? Hope you guys are well. So in this video I want to talk about following outdated scripts. But first, greetings from my village over here in Africa. Chilling, relaxed. The weather is amazing today. I think it's about to rain, but I'm going to try and shoot this content as quickly as we can, okay? So I can give you all the game. When it comes to making decisions about how you should live your life, I would say about 97% of people are following a script that is outdated. A script that was created by some random in a room full of, let's say, 100 people. Line up 100 people there, right? And 97% of those people are idiots. And that sounds harsh, but it's true. 97 out of 100 are idiots and their followers. And the other 3 are the ones that are leading the pack, that are actually living their lives with purpose, without following somebody else's outdated script. We're in 2026 now, and there's still people, especially that are older, that are still bragging about collecting degrees, college degrees, university degrees. Now, before you attack me on this one, I want to say there's nothing wrong with getting a college degree. In fact, getting a college degree is good depending on what degree you're getting. So if you're getting a degree in medicine, that's good. If you're getting a degree in pharmacy, that's good, because society needs people like doctors, pharmacists, and even lawyers. But if you're getting a degree in, say, business, a business admin degree in 2026, then you're just following an outdated script. That script is not going to work. You're hustling backwards. Like I said, we're in 2026. There's artificial intelligence now. If you're getting a PhD in English, if you're getting a PhD in history, you're hustling backwards. You're wasting time. Do you know that with AI, you can generate an AI agent? An AI agent is basically an assistant powered by artificial intelligence. You can create an AI agent that has the ability to hold as much information as, let's say, 10 people that have PhDs in whatever subject that you want. Even like a platform as basic as ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a Honda Fit of AI. You can ask any question to ChatGPT and it'll be 98% accurate on any subject. You can't say the same thing about one PhD guy. A PhD guy, a guy that holds a PhD might be, let's say, 90% at most. But I prefer to use an AI agent. Why should I hire somebody that holds a PhD who's 80% when I can get an AI agent which is like 98% accurate in that subject? So when I say most people are following a script that is outdated, this is what I mean. They're still going to collect all these degrees that are going to be worthless and useless in this new era of technology and artificial intelligence. That is hustling backwards. By the time you complete a PhD, I don't know how long a PhD in, let's say, history takes. Maybe let's say 2 years. By the time you complete that, the AI is going to be like light years ahead. It's going to be 20 years ahead. So you're wasting time going to collect degrees. In fact, a lot of these PhDs, they're going to be out here working for people that have high school diplomas. And that guy who holds a high school diploma, all they need to know is how to use the AI tool. And they're going to hire a PhD guy just to verify some information. So who's really winning here? And who's really losing? The guy who's holding a PhD is the loser, because he's wasted time, and time is the most precious asset that you have. This is why people trade their time for money, because time is precious. The wealthiest people understand this. This is why, if you look at like a lot of people that are wealthy, some of these people didn't graduate college. They didn't graduate from university, but they understand how to solve problems. And now with AI, oh my God, the game has changed. That script of going to school, then going to college for 4 years, and then going to get a PhD for another 2 years or however long that it takes, in a worthless degree, the time is over. That script is outdated now. There's a sucker born every single day, guys. This is why a lot of these corporations are just like enslaving people, especially in America. Corporate slavery will never go away because there's a sucker born every single day. And these people that are running these corporations, it's not like they're smarter than you when it comes to like knowledge. No, they're not. They just know that you don't value your time. They know that you don't value the most precious asset that you have, but they do. And they know how to solve problems. They're gonna hire you and pay you nothing. Then you end up a slave. But I don't want that for you. I want you to win and stop following an outdated script. Some of you guys need to wake up, and pain is gonna be the greatest teacher for you guys. That's the only way you're gonna learn, through pain. Wait till you see what this AI thing is heading to. Artificial intelligence is blowing my mind every single day. It's access to so much information that the only thing left now is to execute. The true winners of this new economy that we're getting into are the action takers, the ones that don't make excuses, not the ones that are collecting information. If you're just collecting information, you're just entertaining yourself, but you're not moving the needle. So if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, you're following a bullshit script, and you're ready to win in the game of life and the game of business, you better schedule a call. Join my private membership group of other winners. Winners that are actually taking action. Because if you surround yourself with the 97%, you're gonna fail miserably. Schedule a call. Put a link in the description. Talk to you soon. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.